Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change background color in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your fillable PDF form. This is a fillable PDF form. Now I will change this fillable PDF from background color. Click this tools option and here we will find this edit PDF option. Click here and select here more option and select background and select here add. You can browse background color, also you can choose from this color. Click and select here other color. You can choose also custom color, paste here color code, also you can choose here any color. I'll choose this color and now click OK. Okay, yeah, this is background color. Now I'll again change this background color, update, use this color. This background color already changed, and now click this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.